If you want to change DPI settings on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can, for example, open settings on your phone, and then over here you can choose display settings, and then here we have the screen zoom, which allows you to adjust the DPI over here by using this slider at the bottom. But if you're looking for some more precise settings that allow you to adjust the DPI, then in that case, we want to go back to settings, and we're gonna scroll all the way down to about phone. Now over here in about phone, we should be able to find software information, and you want to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter your screen lock password. After that, confirm that you want to allow development settings, and you will have this message: the developer mode has been turned on. We're gonna go back to settings again, and at this time at the bottom we have developer options. And then here in developer options we have to keep scrolling down until you find the drawing section, and in here we have minimum width. And in here we can change this value to adjust DPI. The smaller this value is, everything is going to be bigger on this screen. However, there is of course a limit, so if you set it to anything less than 320, you will just set it to 320. So if I type 300, for example, it's going to be changed to 320, and everything is indeed slightly bigger. And at the same time, if you provide a bigger value, then everything is going to be much smaller. But you want to be careful with these numbers. If you enter a really high number, then you might mess up something, and it might be difficult to revert those changes, and the interface might become harder, much harder to use. In my case, I'm gonna use 600 over here, press OK, and there we go. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty much the same as on a tablet. So we can even change it like that. So we have the split now in settings where we have all of these different options and the menu from the selected option. And if you want to revert to the standard value, then you can just simply type 360. There is a possibility that it's going to be set right there. In case it doesn't change, you might need to actually type it manually and press OK, or just, for example, use 361 instead. But as you can see, in my case, it doesn't want to change back. So how we can fix this? We can go to display settings again, then go to the screen zoom, and you might need to simply change to any of these dots that we have on this slider, and as you can see, it fixes immediately. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.